Totalkare is pleased to announce the successful installation of two sets of its market-leading T8DC cable-free mobile column lifts, a mobile brake tester, gas analyzer, and other workshop equipment. The T8DC mobile column lifts installed at Hatz Group can be configured in sets of 4, 6, or 8 columns, each capable of lifting 7,500 kilograms per column. Totalkare's mobile brake tester, which can handle up to 16,000 kilograms axle load and is DVSA approved, has been specifically chosen by Hatz Group to meet the site's electrical requirements with a 16-amp model. Completing the order, the gas analyzer is compliant with the latest Euro 6 standards. Ensuring their fleet remains operational and safe is crucial to their service delivery, and the quality and reliability of workshop equipment will significantly improve their in-house repair and maintenance tasks.